So at Advanced Accounting, we offer concierge CFO services to entrepreneurs. We also help entrepreneurs who have IRS issues. Maybe they're getting audited, maybe they haven't paid their taxes and they need to get that cleaned up, or perhaps they haven't paid and filed their payroll tax reports. We represent them before the IRS. And then we also deal with a lot of cryptocurrency investors, and we help them to understand how to pay the least amount of taxes. I am basically an entrepreneur who happens to be a tax strategist. I seek to be very proactive with my clients. I want to move forward as quickly as possible to get the client to their goal. And I think it started from a really young age. So my dad was an entrepreneur. My great-grandfather was our town's blacksmith. And so my father owned a concrete plant. And when I was a little girl, all of our trucks had Hall's Concrete, Shanyn Hall, the boss, underneath it. And so I grew up being the boss. And so it was a natural transition for me to actually become a boss. Relatively new is the concept of concierge CFO. And the reason that it emerged was the fact that there is this gap within small to mid-sized businesses. So you have your tax professional who prepares your tax return, and you may only talk to that person at tax time. And then you have a tax strategist who may come in and only work with you one time to get a tax plan in place that's implemented, but you don't have any ongoing support of someone who can understand your financial situation and the vision of where you want to take your company. And most mid to small businesses can't afford to hire a CFO to be there full time, and sometimes they don't need someone full time. They need someone who's going to be able to be part of the strategic meeting on a weekly basis. So it's like having a high level view of what's happening in every single piece of the business and being able to create a more consistent performance within the business from a financial standpoint. I think one of the things that helps me resonate with my clients is that I'm a truth teller. I tell the truth. Sometimes there's harsh realities in business, and entrepreneurs usually don't have people around them. They're going to tell them the truth. Most people are going to agree with them because they're the boss. And I'm a truth teller. I'll come in and tell you like it is, the reality of the situation, but I'm also going to come in and give you a solution.